Hey, what's up, everybody? God bless y'all. God bless y'all. Amen. This is Overseer Bulldozer coming to you from JFK, New York. Last year, God gave me a revelation in the prayer. God told me, move to Atlanta, and I did. And I'm telling you, mighty miracles are happening. I'm saying outstanding growth. I mean, we have 2 branches now. That's amazing. You follow me? Also, before that, I remember God said Africa. And I remember growing up, I never really wanted to go to Africa until I got saved and in this ministry of this army. And tonight, I am on my way to Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks be to God. God has revealed a baby, a camera, hallelujah, a key, and God has birthed a branch in Lagos, Nigeria. And I'm on my way to visit Nigeria and let the Lord have his way in my life. Ladies and gentlemen, Dwayne Wrangler, please give me a quote with the travel document. Code calling me, so I'll talk to you guys later, all right? God bless you.